I don't know about you, but I'm more than ready for a holiday. But 1 week is never enough, is it? Check out some of the things you could do with an extra week's holiday for just $1.
Lying by the pool, relaxing.
We do more activities.
Yeah, swimming, snorkeling.
I would definitely get some massages, do some tanning,
Yep.
and really take it in, you know?
Relax and not think about work. I think I would hire a bunch of cabana boys.
Whitewater rafting.
A few more clubs, go clubbing a bit more.
You had like a whole troop of cabana boys with nice bodies and like pina coladas, foot massaging. I'd be in heaven.
I'd just relax for another week just cause.
I drink a lot more cocktails on the beach.
A shopping beach.
Diving, surfing, laying on the beach, passing out in the evenings, dancing, celebrating and everything which makes life so beautiful as it is.
That's wonderful. For a limited time only, Viva Holidays are offering an extra week's holiday on selected packages for the crazy price of just $1. That is nuts. Now they've had their say, what would you do with an extra week's holiday for just $1? Go to vivaholidays.com.au or visit your local travel agent to get inspired and book your dream holiday. Viva Holidays, Viva Life.